Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro launched back in December were quite striking looking phones packed with powerful hardware. However, the brand's upcoming flagship, the Xiaomi 14 Pro, is set to bring significant changes, especially to the front design of the handset. And now, thanks to a reliable leakster Ice Universe, we already got our very first look at the Xiaomi 14 Pro. So the render showcasing a curved display with ultra slim symmetrical bezels on all sides, giving it a true full screen effect, which honestly speaking looks stunning. Interestingly, the popular Weibo leakster Digital Chat Station claimed that there could be two variants of the Xiaomi 14 Pro based on the display, one with the flat while the other with the curved display. So if it goes through, it will be an exciting deal for both types of users. Let me know what you think about the Xiaomi 14 Pro design in the comment section below. Unfortunately, the rear design of the Xiaomi 14 Pro is still under wraps. However, earlier one of the company's executives shared that the Xiaomi 14 Pro design will be more amazing than the Mi 11 Ultra. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra had a bigger camera island alongside a unique secondary display on its rear panel for notifications, weather, and more. So we might see something like that. As per the leaker Digital Chat Station, the Xiaomi 14 Pro will get a notable upgrade in the camera department with a new 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Presumably, it will be the same sensor that the brand's recently launched camera-based Xiaomi 13 Ultra has. Hopefully, we will get some extra zoom on the 14 Pro compared to the 3.2 times on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. Every year, Xiaomi adopts the latest chipset from Qualcomm, so for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, it will certainly go for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This Qualcomm's upcoming flagship processor is expected to bring noticeable improvements with a greater focus on the power efficiency. Luckily, a Geekbench 6 listing of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 revealed around 30% overall performance improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is quite impressive despite it is running on the same 4nm process. So we guess Xiaomi 14 Pro will boast impressive performance. The Xiaomi 14 Pro is tipped to have a 5000 mAh of battery with 50W wireless charging. While there could be two options for wired charging, 90W and 120W, that is possibly for two variants. For the curious people, the Chinese tech giant is likely to unveil the Xiaomi 14 series sometime between November and December in China, followed by a global launch date after a few weeks. Anyway, we are likely to get more renders and details on the Xiaomi 14 lineup in the coming months. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.